following by late June or early July. New at 11, a secret shop now a haven for survivors of human sex trafficking in LA County. For many girls, it's a lifeline for them to move forward. Eyewitness News reporter Leanne Suter giving us a closer look.
Hidden in an undisclosed building is a secret shop for survivors of sex trafficking in LA County. Run by Give Mentor Love, the foundation offers so much more than just a new wardrobe. It's a lifeline for those who have escaped the unimaginable. For Veronica, it began at just 8 years old.
I thought I was going to die at least 16. I didn't think I was going to make it to 20. It means a lot to me. I feel like it's not only saved my life, but it's helped me find a path.
Her mission now, to join the FBI and use her experiences to help others. Give Mentor Love, or GML, helps more than 1,000 girls a year. That's a small fraction of those being trafficked here in the Southland.
It's so common in all of the areas all over LA County. It could be in the neighbor's house, it could be down the street. It's not just the highly populated areas.
I was 13 years old, and a boy just said, "Oh, you want to go get some money? You want to go make some money?" You know, I'm like, "Okay, yeah, let's go get some money." But I didn't know that it was going to be, you know, him pimping me out.
For Kiki, the support from GML was the key to breaking free and getting her life back. Give Mentor Love helped with financial support as well as mental and physical safety. The foundation building a sisterhood sanctuary to house female victims between 18 to 21 years old, when many of them have been kicked out of the foster care system.
We want to support them, create sustainable change. So rebuilding this life that was taken from them.
Victims who are often forgotten. Give Mentor Love, giving them the focus and attention they need to thrive.
It's like a family. Once you're in here, and there's no leaving.
Last month, thieves raided GML's warehouse. They were able to replace most of their items, but their financial need is great as they continue to try to save as many lives as possible from the streets. Leanne Suter, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
A music legend